Welcome to the Travelex Weekly Outlook. It's the week of November 15th, and the dollar starts it off in broadly positive territory, near 6-week highs against both the euro and the Japanese yen. The dollar's latest uptrend has come at the heels of renewed signs of sovereign debt issues in the eurozone. That has put broad pressure once again on the single currency. At the same time, that has helped to contrast signs of the U.S. economy gaining steam. The dollar's latest uptrend took roots last week, or actually gained traction last week, on signs that China might put the economic brakes on its recovery, given signs that inflation seems to be on the rise. The prospect of slower growth out of China has really weighed on growth-sensitive currencies such as the Aussie dollar. That fell to its lowest level in a week against the U.S. currency. And the Canadian dollar, that's another commodity-backed currency, that fell to a one-month low last week against the U.S. currency. For its part, though, we have seen the dollar start to gain buying demand once again as a result of positive data. Weeks ago, the employment report came out, and that came out far better than expected. That was followed up last week by weekly jobless claims. Those dipped to a 4-month low for the latest period, and so that helped to offer signs that the U.S. economy was slowly starting to gain some strength. That tends to be broadly supportive of not only the economy, but for the U.S. dollar as well. The week ahead is going to be a busy one. There's going to be a lot of regional manufacturing reports due out. There's one out of New York, another one out of the Mid-Atlantic region. Those surveys can offer early glimpses at the health of the national manufacturing sector in the weeks ahead. Also, for the middle week of November, investors will take a look at retail sales, of course, consumer spending. That is the main engine of U.S. economic growth, and so that'll be closely watched. Finally, investors this week will also get a gauge at, or get a look at U.S. inflation, both at the wholesale level and the consumer level. Those are reports that can shed light on the sustainability of the U.S. recovery. But that's all we have for this week. For the latest on the dollar, please have a look at us online.